if you want to promote any kind of post. So if you make a post and you really want to target local search, local ads, just, find more customers because maybe organic growth is going a little bit too slow for your liking. There are, again, no surprise here, many different ways you could do that. One is going to be through the Meta Business Suite, of course, as I showed you before. So business.facebook.com, that'll bring you into that. Another way to set that up is right here in payments. You can set up your ads payments here and kind of go through that. But the easiest way to do things, and Facebook makes it easy for a reason doing it this way, because they just want to lower the barrier. They realize how difficult it is for people to go and make ads through that whole platform, for a beginner if you're not used to that. But let's go back to our page. I'll show you where you can do this. Clicking on our page, I can go down to any post that I like, maybe this one right here, and I can just say boost the post. So boosting the post brings you into this kind of simplified ads dashboard that allows you to choose some basic things. Like, what is your goal for this? Automatically, we're trying to get phone calls. That's what we're optimizing for. So that's telling the algorithm, if you show it to 100 people, the people who click on it and actually click on call now, that's the demographic we want. Advertise to more people with similar interest to those people who did that. We can then add the text. They suggest some right here. So we can say add, some AI generated text, and Meta's rolling out more AI tools in their ads. So I'm sure this is likely to change in the coming weeks, months, and years. So I will actually make a full Facebook business ads tutorial, but for now, just kind of walking through this right here. We're going to leave that enabled, that disabled. The audience, we could just say right now, United States looks good. We could narrow down specifically where they are. So if we click the pencil icon, the geography, let's just say Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, plus 25 miles. You can change how far out to maybe plus like 27, plus 30 miles. Anyone in a 30-mile radius is a potential customer here. So it says right now, that's not too broad, not too narrow. There's about 5 million people that they can advertise to in that radius there. So I'm going to say save. That's really nice. And then down here, how long do we want? 7 days. And we can run this. It's going to be about $14 per day is what the budget I have set right now. But you can slide this up and down and say, hey, if you do $60 a day, it's going to reach between 1,000 and 3,000 different accounts. Of course, they're not all going to click, but that's how many people will see this ad on a daily basis. And of course, you could add a pixel right here. So if you have a website, you can toggle this on. You have to set up a Facebook pixel, embed that in your website. If it's something like Shopify, it's very easy to do. Some other websites require some copying and pasting some code. Again, I'll talk about that in the full tutorial. And then lastly, you can just click publish. It'll add your payment information. You'll add your payment information, and then you'll be able to run this ad and start getting some customers.